Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be setting up the environment in which we are going to create our project management application throughout the essential path. So let's get started. First things first, you've registered your account, you've been invited to BettyBlocks, and you arrive at your dashboard. Well, that's also where we're going to start from. We're going to use an app template that already provides us with a login and register system to build our own project management application aside of that. So we can do this by starting off at the View All Templates button to the top right of your dashboard. Here you see all kinds of templates provided to you by BettyBlocks, but we are going to use the Login Flow app template. So make sure that you have the Login Flow app template in front of you. Press Use Template. And this is where you select the organization from which you will be building the app from and pick your application name. So in this case, I will have to pick my own organization and create the app that I'm going to be building. Okay, so once your application has been generated, we click on the application and we open the application by clicking the image in the middle, and there we have. This is the environment we're going to be building our project management application in. However, before we can start, we need to set up one little configuration because we have been using an application template. An application template sometimes needs to have something set up before they can work properly. Well, what they might need, I'm going to explain to you in a second. First, let's go over something you see in front of you. Here we have the dashboard. And on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you can see your builder bar. In your builder bar, you can find all the tools that you need to develop your own application. The pages, the data model, the actions, your back office, your block store, your endpoints, and the tools section. Well, to figure out what your application template actually needs, you have to press the pages icon and navigate to the README segment of your application. Here you are provided with a quick guide that says how to set up that configuration to make sure that everything works accordingly. So what we need to do is, let me go back to my dashboard, is you need to grab the name of your application, your identifier in this case, and mine is called Essential Project. So I'm going to copy this from my dashboard. And then we're going to navigate to the tools section, and there we can find the configurations. So navigate to the configuration segment of your application. You might have to log in because this is opening up our previous environment. We are going through to a really big update. So let's open up the tools section in this previous environment. Let's go to configurations, and here you see a record saying app ID. This is where we need to fill in the value, also known as the name of our application. So press on the record, press edit, and within this value segment, we're going to post or copy paste the name of our application. Save. And now this is all set up. I can close this tab. And now we are ready to start developing our application.